it's crucial as a coach to know what's in your responsibility and what's not in your responsibility. You can talk about it like the circle of power, which is there's 4 things, which is speech, behavior, thoughts, and feelings, right? And technically behavior is also speech, but let's just say it's those 4 things. And what's really important as a coach is to make sure that your clients also know what's in their circle of power, right?
Yeah.
Now, the reason why I'm pointing this out as a really simple example is because often coaches would, or trainers, coaches, I mean, that's a fine line that's been danced on by a lot of people, but in that circumstance, what they're doing is going, I really care about my client's results, I'm all for my client, and that's great. I'm not saying that people shouldn't be for their client, clearly they should. The issue is that when their client wins, one of 2 things happens, right? One, they go, that was all the client, really good work, right? That person then, the client has a loss, right? They didn't get their results. And the coach then takes it on themselves. It's my fault, right? Or they end up blaming the client, right? But so what happens is that you go, how will you react when your client gets a result and does well? And how will you react when your client doesn't? And this is a really important question because neither one is because of you. You played a role, but your client has to be able, you don't take your client's wins. You let them know that you played a role. Don't go out of your way to do that. Like, it's just a matter that I opened the doors and there's a program on the board, right? But they did the work. Because if I take your win, I'm literally like cutting off at the knees. It's like I'm building a codependent pattern. And it's because of me that you got your result. Come and work with me so you can get this result as well. It's like, yeah, okay, you probably did play a very important role, but don't take your client's wins and don't take your client's losses. And the reason being is that clients, humans, because that's what we're in the people industry, we're not in the fitness industry, we're in the people industry. People need to learn what a loss is and how to deal with that and what to take responsibility for. And responsibility is your ability to respond. And that's why I talked about the circle of power. It's like, this was within your power. This is within your control. How are you going to respond to this situation? And when we take our clients' wins, we actually paralyze them on some degree. And when we take our clients' losses, we do the same fucking thing. Because now they can't go, okay, where did I fall short? This is what I need to work on. This is what I need to improve on and build from there. And so this is the difference between being, as a coach, being there for them and being there with them. Right? So it's your wins, it's your losses. And that's yeah. Well, it's crucial. And so what happens, you see it all the time. It's like, and it's just like, no. Like, I have a coach, and my learning is my responsibility, not his.
Yeah.
My development is my responsibility, not his.
Yeah.
And a good coach and a good gym owner, what they see their gym as is that they're giving people an opportunity. They build a facility that gives an opportunity for the person to develop and evolve and improve. They do not improve their clients.
Yeah.
Because then you're just paralyzing them.
Yeah.
They're codependent.